Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the OWC 16GB DDR5 ECC registered memory module. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's specifically designed for workstations and servers that demand high stability and data integrity. So, if you're thinking about popping this into your gaming rig, think again. It's not compatible with standard desktop computers or unbuffered ECC load reduced memory. This particular module is a 16GB DDR5 stick running at a speedy 4,800 MHz PC5-38400 with a CL40 latency. It's a 288-pin DMM operating at 1.1V. OWC has designed this as a direct replacement for Hynix part numbers HMCG78 MIBRA 107N, HMCG78 MIBRA 113N, HMCG78 MIBRA 115N, and HMCG78 MIBRA 174N, which is great if you're looking for a guaranteed compatible upgrade. One of the key features here is that it's ECC registered memory. ECC, or error correcting code, is crucial for servers and workstations because it detects and corrects memory errors on the fly. This prevents crashes and data corruption, which is paramount for critical applications and data storage. The registered aspect means there's a register between the memory controller and the DRAM chips, improving signal stability, especially when you have multiple modules installed. OWC emphasizes that this module is 100% JEDEC standard and RoHS compliant. This means it adheres to industry standards for performance and environmental safety. It's also a warranty-safe upgrade, implying that installing this memory won't void your system's warranty, which is always a plus. They've designed and tested it to meet or exceed OEM specifications, so you can expect reliable performance. The main benefit of using OWC's ECC registered server memory is extending the life of existing server infrastructure or saving money when building a new one. Instead of replacing an entire server, upgrading the memory can provide a significant performance boost and keep your system running smoothly for longer. OWC also offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This level of support is reassuring, especially when dealing with server-grade components. Knowing you can get help if you encounter any issues is a significant advantage. In conclusion, the OWC 16GB DDR5 ECC registered memory module is a solid choice for upgrading or building workstations and servers that require high reliability and data integrity. While it's not for everyone, if you need ECC registered memory, OWC provides a compatible, reliable, and well-supported option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.